Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders April 2023 club kits are now available. I receive 3 of the club kits every month. 2 of them are embossing folders. The one on the right is the regular 2D embossing folder, this beautiful floral design. The one on the left is the 3D embossing folder, and it's really fun this month. There are several different designs all together on one embossing folder. And the 3D version adds a little more dimension to your cards or projects. Next up is the quick and easy card kit of the month. The theme is Happy Skies Ahead. All of the kit contents are packed inside a zippered bag. I'll pull everything out. Here's the information card. On one side it has a list of contents, and there are also 2 card samples. On the back side there's a tutorial showing how to assemble one of the cards. Spellbinders card kits no longer include stamps or dies, so they're ideal for beginner crafters. Now here's a look at everything that's included. There are 20 A2 size card panels in 5 different colors. There's a nice bright blue, a light blue, green, we have a soft pink, and a really pretty bright pink. I really like the bright blue and bright pink colors this month. There are 8 A2 size card bases and also 8 A2 size envelopes. I really like the cardstock used for the card bases. It has a nice linen texture finish on one side. Next up is the pattern paper. It's 6 by 6 inches in size and it's single-sided. There are 20 different designs. I'll go through them quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. There's a beautiful variety of designs and colors. We have some lovely florals, there's strawberries, plaids. This one has some cheerful sunshines. This one looks like polka dots, but it's tiny little pears. A pretty green gingham. This fun pink design is covered with sunglasses, with some tiny cherries, some colorful stripes, teeny tiny little hearts. Another lovely floral. This one has a rainbow of sentiments, more strawberries, and the last one is lots of different fruit trees. The next item is a sheet of puffy sentiment stickers, and there's a really good variety of sentiments. And I like that this month they included some fun banners. As always, we have the coordinating die cut shapes, and I'll lay all of those out at the end of the video so you can have a better look. There are 2 sheets of chipboard embellishments, lots of icons and sentiments that match with the beautiful pattern papers. And we also have a chipboard alphabet this month. It's a pretty off-white color with beautiful gold foil diagonal stripes. There's the full alphabet, numbers, and even some fun scallop borders at the bottom. There's a roll of adhesive tape and a sheet of foam squares. And for embellishments, we have a beautiful brown sequin mix. So that's everything that's included in the April card kit. And here's a look at all of the die cut shapes. There are 2 of each. A nice variety of images. We have fruits, florals. My favorite are the ladybugs in a rainbow of colors. Now here's another look at a few of Spellbinders April 2023 club kits. If you are interested in subscribing, I do have links provided in the description box below. In order to receive the clubs I'm showing in this video, you do need to subscribe by April 27th or before they sell out. In the last few months, several of their club kits have sold out right away. So if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. And Spellbinders offers several other fun club kits. There's die cutting, stamps, glimmers, lots of different variety. And I will have a link for all of their clubs in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.